Hey, so it's quiz time again, and welcome, guys. Today's quiz gonna be vocabulary from lesson 29. So let's begin. The first question here: what is above in Chinese? We have A, 下, B, 小, C, 上, D, 大. So I want you guys to think first. So 下 is below, 小 is small, 上 is above, and 大 is big. So the correct answer for this question is C, 上, 上. The next question here, what is drink in Chinese? We have A, 喝, B, 二, C, 吃, D, 可. So which one of them is correct, guys? He is drink, is hungry, 吃 is eat, and 渴 is thirsty. So drink in Chinese is 喝, 喝. Moving on to the next question. What is small in Chinese? We have A, 吃, B, 小, C, 小, and D, 二. So which one do you think is the right answer here? Chi is it, xia is below, xiao is small, and is hungry. Small in Chinese is xi, xiao, xiao. The next one is, what is thirsty in Chinese? We have A, 渴, B, 喝, C, 大, and D, 上. So let's try to guess first. So 渴 is thirsty, 喝 is drink, 大 is big, 上 is above. So thirsty in Chinese is A, 渴, 渴. The next question here, what is below in Chinese? So we have A, 大, B, 上, C, 吃, and D, 下. So I want you guys to try to guess. Da here is big, Shang is above, Chi is it, and Xia is below. So the correct answer here is obviously D, Xia, Xia. The next one here, what is hungry in Chinese? We have A, Xiao, B, 二, C, 渴, and D, 喝. So which one of them is the right answer? Xiao is small, is hungry, 渴 is thirsty, and 喝 is drink. So the correct answer for this question is B, 二, 二. Moving on to the next question, what is big in Chinese? So we have A, 吃, B, 喝, C, 小, and D, 大. So which one do you think is the right answer here? Chi is eat, He is drink, Xiao is small, and Da is big. So big in Chinese is Di, Da, Da. The next question here is, what is it in Chinese? We have A, Xia, B, Chi, C, Ke, and D, Shang. So I want you guys to guess first. So Xia is below, Chi is it, Ke is thirsty, and Shang is above. So it in Chinese is B, Chi, Chi. So actually that's all for today's quiz. And actually I enjoyed it a lot. So I will see you guys on our next lesson. So stay tuned for our next video, guys.